While most people lose money in the stock market, investors who use the right stock research tools can significantly increase their investment returns. So here are the top 5 stock research tools in 2024 that can make you a lot more money in the stock market. The last one is my personal favorite and has the highest ratings. 5. Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha is a well-known platform that offers market analysis and community-driven insights. It provides in-depth articles, earnings call transcripts, and performance data. However, the quality of articles varies greatly, and it can be challenging to find the valuable insights among the many posts. They have detailed articles on various sectors and stocks and a large community of investors discussing strategies, which is great. However, the articles are written by many different contributors, leading to uneven quality, and the sheer volume of information can be overwhelming, especially for new investors. 4. Zacks Investment Research. Zacks Investment Research is known for focusing on earnings data and its stock ranking system. The platform offers detailed earnings estimates, analyst ratings, and in-depth research reports. However, it can feel too technical and less user-friendly for the average investor. The unique ranking system categorizes stocks based on their potential for future performance, and the detailed data on earnings estimates and revisions are beneficial. However, the reports often require a deep understanding of financial terms, and the platform can be complex and not very user-friendly. Unlike Zacks Investment Research, if you're looking for something simple where all the heavy lifting is done for you, you're going to love number 1 on this list, so stick around until then. 3. YHU Finance. YHU Finance has been around for a long time and remains a reliable and easy-to-use tool for both new and experienced investors. It provides real-time stock quotes, financial news, historical data, and interactive charts. However, since it's a large company with thousands of employees, it lacks the depth of analysis and exclusive insights offered by more specialized platforms. The up-to-date stock quotes and financial news and the user-friendly interface make it accessible for all levels of investors. However, it does not offer the deep analysis found in other premium tools, and the million ads they love to dump on every article is just annoying. 2. Morningstar. Morningstar is a popular tool for long-term investors, offering detailed research reports, respected analyst ratings, and comprehensive data on stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. It's good for fundamental analysis and provides robust portfolio management tools, helping investors understand the intrinsic value of their investments. However, it has several drawbacks. The extensive data and detailed reports can be overwhelming for beginners, and the user interface is less intuitive compared to other platforms. Research reports and ratings are sometimes not updated as frequently as needed, and the platform offers fewer tools for technical analysis. Users have reported slow customer support and limited features on the mobile app. And the absolute best stock research tool you can try in 2024 is 1. Capitalist Exploits Insider Newsletter. The Capitalist Exploits Insider Newsletter stands out as the best stock research tool in 2024. It offers exclusive insights and stock picks that you won't find anywhere else. The newsletter focuses on asymmetric investment opportunities, those with low risk and high reward potential. This approach is ideal for investors looking to maximize returns while minimizing risks. Subscribers receive detailed analysis and actionable recommendations, making it a must-have for serious investors. And if you subscribe to their premium membership called Insider, you also get added to a private online community full of thousands of highly educated and sophisticated investors. You can freely talk to these people and discuss ideas. Most platforms don't allow members to talk to each other because that makes it harder to get away with giving garbage advice. But the researchers behind Insider Newsletter are so confident in their work that they not only allow but even encourage their members to discuss and criticize ideas. I personally use this newsletter myself for stock research and highly recommend it to anyone who's looking to make money in the stock market for the long term. For a limited time, you can try the Capitalist Exploits Insider Newsletter for just $1 using the link in the description below.